Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clint with Lighty Contractors. Today I'm going to talk about how to fix drywall where a new pipe has been installed. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, you'll need some drywall compound, a scrap piece of drywall cut to size, a trowel. You will also need a battery powered drill or quarter drill with a Phillips tip bit, some drywall tape, some scrap pieces of wood, and some drywall nails. The first thing we're going to do is install our scrap wood around the outsides of the hole. Here we actually have a stud that we were able to cut to. If you don't have that, go ahead and put wood all the way around the hole. Now after you have everything blocked in, take your scrap piece of drywall cut to size and put it into place. Now we'll screw that into place, making sure that it's nice and snug. You want to recess your screws just a little bit, that way when we take our mud and trowel over it, we're not knocking the head of the screws. Now that that's secure, we'll take our drywall tape and tape our seams. After everything's taped, we're going to take our drywall mud and start mudding it out. The first coat you don't want to go real heavy on. That way you can make it nice and smooth on your second and third coat. Now after you do that, you can go ahead and apply a second, maybe even third coat, depending on how much is needed. Then sand it and paint it, and you're done. I'm Joshua Clint with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.